This is the latest news, summary of global geopolitics. Please like and write your comments, they are very important to us. In Russia, tests of the Sirius attack drone have begun. The footage of the new Russian strike drone Sirius, that appeared on the network indicates the beginning of flight tests. Denis Fedutinov, a leading expert in the field of unmanned aviation, told RIA Novosti about this. Earlier, the network got footage of the flight of a twin-engine drone. The expert identified the device as a new medium-altitude long-duration drone Sirius, developed by the Russian company Kronstadt. The development of this drone was carried out quite quickly. Obviously, Kronstadt used the developments made according to its previous unmanned system Pacer, factory name Orion. It is also very likely that the heavy variant inherits a number of subsystems that were originally developed for the younger model, Fedutinov said. According to him, from the stage of flight tests to mass production, the drone has a long way to go, which will probably take at least 2 years. In September 2022, TASS, citing a source in the military-industrial complex, reported that the Sirius drone would receive its own satellite communications module. In August of the same year, the Kronstadt company announced that the Sirius, which is a further development of the Russian Orion drone, was tested as a slave